मी वैष्णवी राजेश कुमार कुलकर्णी, जीप प्राशा शेटफळ, तालुका मोहोळ, जिल्हा सोलापूर, इयत्ता 5वी. मी आज तुम्हाला इंग्रजी पाठ्यपुस्तकातील द लिटल बबुल ट्री ही गोष्ट वाचून दाखवणार आहे. In a grove of mango trees, there was one little bubble tree. The little tree was pretty, but it was not happy. One day it said, "I do wish I had big leaves. All the other trees have big leaves. My thorns are sharp and stiff. Children do not like me." Next day, when the little tree woke up, it had big leaves. It was just like the mango trees. "Now I am happy," it said. But a goat came along and ate up all the big leaves. "Oh dear," said the bubble tree. "I wish I had gold leaves." "Goat do not eat gold leaves." Next day, when the little tree woke up, it had gold leaves. "How happy I am," it said. But a thief came along and stole all the gold leaves. "Oh dear," said the bubble tree. "I wish I had glasses leaves." Thieves do not steal glasses leaves. Next day, when the little tree woke up, it had glasses leaves. "How happy I am. See, my leaves shine in the sun." But a strong wind sprang up. "Oh," said the wind, and it broke all the glasses leaves. "Oh dear," said the bubble tree. "I wish I had my thorns and small leaves again." Goats do not eat them all. Thieves do not steal them. Then wind will do no harm. Then the tree went to sleep. Next day, when it woke up, it had all its thorns and small green leaves teeth. "Oh, I never was so happy," said the little bubble tree.